Hey peeps, welcome to another video. Today I am drawing the names for the Christmas KB Pattern Swap 2019. So let's get started. Okay, so 37 of you contacted me and put your names into the hat, which is awesome because it means I've put my name in once, which is great. And I think I've split it up so that everybody is going to get a different country. We've got 17 peeps from the US, 12 peeps from the UK, 1 from Canada, 1 from Germany, 1 from South Africa, 4 from Australia, to see if I can get this right, 2 from the Netherlands. I think that's everybody. I'm sorry if I've missed your country out, but as long as you sent the email to the right place, you are in one of these bowls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a name from one bowl and take a name from another bowl, and that will be the pattern pairing. I'm going to put the names on the screen, and I will also put the Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest name on the screen as well, so you guys can all follow each other, because one of the things about the pattern swap is getting to know your partner but also getting to know other people in the community as well. So let's get started. So first we have, and I'm very sorry if I say anybody's names wrong, it's not intentional, we all know how bad I am at pronunciation. So first we have the lovely Claire Harper from the UK, and Claire is the underscore sewing underscore bear underscore 27, and you're going to be partnered with the lovely Diona Dawkins from the US, and Diona is, I hope I'm saying that right, you did give me a phonetic pronunciation of it. Fiona's Instagram is just a make a mouse. So I am going to paperclip you guys together, and I will be forwarding on everybody's emails to each other over the next couple of days. I am travelling up to London this evening, so I will be doing that hopefully this evening, if not tomorrow morning, I promise. So our next pairing is Georgiana Archer from Australia, and your Instagram is Georgiana Jane Archer, and you will be paired with Hannah Nykirk from the US, and Hannah's Instagram is Hannah Says Sup, and Hannah was the person that got paired with my dad for the very first, I think it was the second one I did, but the very first Christmas one I did. So you two are paired. Next we have Judith Doughty, which is at Ever So Often on Instagram, and you're going to be paired with Alicia Walker from the US, and Alicia's Instagram is Pineapple Lissy. I think I've got that right. Next we have Stephanie Nord, or as you guys will know her, Nimaway North from Germany, and Nimaway, you will be paired with Megan Steinbauer from the US, and Megan is at MES42381 on Instagram. I think Megan just posted her make from her last swap and it was awesome. Okay, so next we have the lovely Roseanne Newman from Canada, and Roseanne's Instagram is So Many Roses, and you're going to be paired with Krista Giels from the Netherlands, and Krista's Instagram is at Krista Giels, and again, I'm very sorry if I am saying that wrong, which I probably am. Okay, so next we have Alice Beasley from the UK, and Alice's Instagram is stitch underscore and underscore ditch, and then you will be paired with the lovely Ashley Swartout, and again, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, from the US, and Ashley's Instagram is This Crafty World. Next we have Sue McAvoy from Australia, and Sue's Instagram is mcavoy.sue, and you will be paired with the lovely Caroline Windley from the US, and Caroline's Instagram is Creative Carbaholic. Next we have Samuel Lewis from the UK, and Samuel's Instagram is Stitch and Snip, and you are going to be paired with the lovely Amanda Hall from the US, and Amanda's Instagram is a dash of sass and class. I like it. So next up we have Annie Tilbury from Australia, and Annie has a Facebook page which she is happy to add you as a friend on. So, and I think Annie is part of the Facebook peeps group, I think. If she's not, then she should be. Let's all make her do that. And then you're going to be paired with Chinova Maybury from the US, who is part of the peeps group, and Chinova is her, and again, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, her Instagram is Chinova Alcala, and Shonova makes the most amazing handbags. So you two are paired together. Then we have Judy Watson, which is at running underscore so underscore and underscore so running so and so. And Judy, you are going to be paired with Yvonne Burden, and again I'm sorry if that's wrong, from the Netherlands, and Yvonne's Instagram is yvonne.burden. Let's just watch Sean fumble and mispronounce everybody's names. So next we have Sarah Trillo from the UK, and Sarah's Instagram is Sarah Trillo, and you are going to be paired with the lovely Akram Tagavi Burris from the US, and it's Akram's Ideas on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So, and yeah, you guys are going to have a lot of fun together because Akram is awesome. She is just so like over the top, brilliantly enthusiastic about everything. So yeah, you guys are gonna have an awesome time. So next we have the lovely Jane Richardson, and Jane has put up her Pinterest, which is Jane R0380. And Jane, you are going to be paired with Claudia Ratte, and Claudia has a Facebook page, and she says she will start an Instagram page, so we need to make Claudia do that. But Jane and Claudia, you are paired together. So next up we have Susanna Zataknik. I'm so sorry about that. Susanna's Instagram is Never Enough Fabric, and Susanna, you are going to be paired with Vicky Server, who is Heartland Knits on everything: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. But you two are paired together. Next we have the lovely Jessica Dunstan from South Africa, who was my partner for the last swap, and Jessica's Instagram is Jessica Bunny ZA, and you are going to be paired with Bethany Balm, which is freely_born from the US, and I love Bethany's Instagram feed and her booty tat. She has the most gorgeous booty tat, so you two are gonna have a lot of fun together. Next we have me, and I hope you all know my Instagram and Facebook and YouTube channel. And I'm going to be paired with Elizabeth Owens from the US, who is at so.darling. So Elizabeth, you are stuck with me. I look forward to getting to know you a little bit better and trying to find you awesome patterns to send you. Next we have Katrina Morrison from the UK, and Katrina's Instagram is KJ Morrison, and you're going to be paired with Amy Kluber, who is from the US, and Amy's Instagram is Amy Kluber, and also her YouTube channel. We need to get Amy to make more videos. So next we have Jamie McKinley, which is Honestly I Made It on Instagram. And Jamie, she's from the UK. Jamie, you're going to be paired with Missy Juarez, I think I've said that right, from the US. And Missy's Instagram is Missy Sews. Then we have Jackie Perryman, which is at SoJackie on Instagram, and you're going to be paired with Gia May. I'm sorry, I'm not even going to try and pronounce your surname, but your Instagram is at sweetie_bunny333. So Gia and Jackie, you are paired together. And I think I even shortened Gia's full name because her full name was just like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna butcher that. So finally we have Alison Smith from Australia, which is at Aussie Alley Cat, and you are going to be paired with the lovely Diane Pennington, who is Twirl Lady on Instagram and is from the US. So that is all the pattern swap pairings for the KB pattern swap for the Christmas edition. Okay, so I suggest you all start stalking your partners. I will be sending you out the emails over the next couple of days, as I say, with all of the information that I got from all of you. So it'll be your addresses, your little bios, your social media handles. I'll be sending out your partner's details to each other so that you guys can start talking and start thinking about the types of things that you would like to get each other. If you have a recommendation list, then they can look through that. If you're willing to let them just have at it and send you something that they think you're going to look fabulous in, that's going to be awesome too. So please remember that you need to have your parcel posted by the 15th of November. Please remember to not spend any more than £20 or your local currency equivalent. Please also remember to let me know when you've posted your parcel and when you've received your parcels so that I can tick you off of the list. Please, if possible, try and get some kind of proof of postage or tracking details for your partner. We had a few parcels that went walkabouts or went round the world this summer and have ended up back where they started and are being sent out again. So yeah, please try and get some kind of packing or parcel details so that I can try and keep track of who's got what, and as I say, let me know when you receive yours so I can tick you off the list. The reveal date is Boxing Day, the 26th of December. Feel free to open your parcel beforehand if it arrives beforehand. You don't need to reveal what you got until the 26th of December, and you don't have to have made the thing by then. You can just reveal the parcel that you've got. Don't forget to use the hashtag KB Pattern Swap when you put any of this up on social media so that we can all have a look and see what goodies you sent and what goodies you've received. And above all, have fun, get to know your partner and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.